Hello students, today I am telling you about MS Access window, how to work in MS Access. Okay, then firstly you have to start the MS Access. To start MS Access, go to the start button, click on it, then all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Access. Now you can see here, this is the first window of Microsoft Access. Okay, then there are template categories and you can choose a desired template from it. Firstly, I am telling you making a database by using new blank database option. Okay, then you have to click here. Now this is highlighted, blank database. Now give the name for the database. By default there is database 1, 2 or 4. Then you have to write here a name for the database. Okay, now I am giving the name SPS. Okay, then click on create. Now here you can see on the title bar SPS database access. Okay, this database name is SPS. This is the window of Microsoft Access, and these are the this is the ribbon from just below the title bar. Okay, then here are some tabs: home tab, create tab, external data, database, tools and data sheet. You can see here data sheet is the default view for MS Access. It is highlighted. Now you can directly enter the data in these cells. Table 1 is by default your table's name. Okay, you can create a table by clicking on the create tab. Click on the create tab, then click table. Okay, then you can see here, this is table 1, that was the default table you have provided. Then you have clicked on next table, then table 2 is provided with you. You can visit the tables by clicking on any table in the left side pane. Okay, only you have to click and go to table 1, click on go to table 2. We are entering the data in table 1 first. Okay, to enter the data in this table, here you can see add new field. You can add any type of field in it. Like you are entering, you can rename the column by click and then right click on it, and here is the last option is rename column. Now you can type the name of the column. I am writing here roll number. Okay, then move to the second cell. We have to only press the tab key or arrow key. Roll number, after that I am writing here name. Then to move the next, name, and after that I am typing the phone number. Okay, you can rename all the fields and you can add as many fields as you need it. Then enter the data in it, like roll number 1, and in name section write any name like Rita. Then phone number, you can give any phone number to it. Okay, after that you can if you want to add new field, then go to the next tab, next cell by clicking only the tab. Now roll number 2, enter the data. Next roll number name is Dinesh. Next student is Dinesh, and enter the phone number here. Okay, this is the table design. We are now working with table 2. Okay, and now you can save this table by using the save button if you desire. Then I want to say that by default we are working in datasheet view, but we can move the 4 types of views in it. Okay, that I will tell you later. This is the data sheet view. View this table. This is in data sheet view. You can see this table in design view also, but firstly you have to save it. Okay, then skip it. Now we are opening the new database. Okay, by using blank database, and type again the name for the database. If we want to create a new database, then I am typing SPS1 here, then click on create tab. Now again we are in datasheet view, and we can enter directly the data in it. But the second type, to create a table, we can use design view also. Okay, for creating the table in design view, click on the create tab. This is the create tab. This is the tables group. Then click on table design. Now you have provided a table structure dialog box. You can decide the structure for a table. Like you can provide the field name. You have to specify field name firstly. Then you are entering the data, roll number. Okay, then you have to decide the data type of it. You can decide any of the data type, but by pressing the down arrow. These are the types of data that I have discussed you in the class: text, memo, number, date and time, currency, auto number, yes, no, etc. Okay, then roll number is numerical value, so we will decide the number for it. Then you can write the description here for the roll number. After that, the next field I am entering here is name, student name. Okay, then name is text type, so we need not to decide for it. Okay, then third is phone number. Then phone number is a numeric type, so we have decided the number type. Now you have created the structure of a table. You want this table. Okay, then if you want to decide a primary key, then click on primary key. Otherwise you can see the view of the table. Now you are working with design view. Okay, then if you want to go in datasheet view, then go to home tab. In home tab you can see the view option. Click on view option. There are 4 types of view: datasheet view, pivot table view, pivot chart view, and design view. Now you are working in design view, but if you want to go in datasheet view for entering the data in the table, then go in datasheet view. Firstly you have to save the table. Do you want to save the table now? Then we will press yes. Name for the table, student. Okay, this is the student table. Then I will click on OK. Now the computer is saying that there is no primary key defined. Then if we want to decide a primary key, then we will decide. Okay, now you can see after pressing the OK, here you can see this is a table as you desired. This is the roll number field, this is name field, this is phone number field, this is add new field if you want to add new field. Now we can start entering the data in it. Phone number, now next roll number, sorry, I have entered in roll number section. Okay, then write the name for student. This is the name, this is the phone number. You can enter as many as records in a database. Okay, now you are working with table. This is the student table. You can see the table name here. You can add new field by just click on the place where you want to enter a new column. Like if you want to add a new column before the phone number, then right click here and then click on insert column. Okay, now you can see here this is the field 1. Okay, you can rename it and add a new field in here. So name and phone number, in between name and phone number you have provided a new column. Then click here and rename column. Click on rename column. Rename it by address. I have give the name of this field address. Now I can type the address for it. Now I can type address like house number and then city. Okay, now in second also I will type the name. This is the way to entering data in MS Access. If you want a new record to enter, then just right click and new record. Okay, now you can add a new record. If you want to add a new record in between 1 and 2, then you have to go just below the first row, right click here and new record. Okay, this is the working of MS Access window. This is the simple working of MS Access window. Thank you.